modes of material nature. The three inherent modes of material nature that shapes human thoughts, emotions, and actions. Mode of goodness. All karma and activities done with a sense of duty, with no attachment to results. One who is connected to supersoul or spirit with qualities such as kindness, equanimity, etc. Moderate levels of energy. Mode of passion. All karma and activities done with eyes on the benefits in terms of money, honor, pride, to satiate one's wishes. One who is connected to false ego with its associated qualities like anger, greed, lust, etc. Very high energy levels. Mode of ignorance. All karma and activities done without consideration for ethical rules or creating harm to others. Example, cheats. One who is connected to the lower self and stays in fear, misery, does self-torture and can injure others. Low energy levels. What is your dominant mode of nature?